A simple technique that speech pathologists use is to think of groups of 10 items, and that allows us to calculate our percentages quite easily. So let's have a look at example 1. We could ask a client to say 10 words containing a target sound. So we might say, could you say these words? And they all start with shh, for the SH sound. Shh. What we might notice is 5 of the words are pronounced correctly, but 5 of the words are pronounced incorrectly with a D. So instead of saying shoe, the client said do. We can see that actually only getting 5 out of 10 right means the client's in the hard zone. So we're not going to stay there. We need to make the task different. We need to change it and go back a step. In example 2, we're going to ask a client to say 10 words containing a target sound. And now 8 words will be pronounced correctly. So they're getting 80% right. 2 words are pronounced incorrectly. So they're getting 20% wrong. But when we check on this, we can see, well, they're in the okay zone. We've got them right where we want them. So this is a good task for this client, and we'll stay working at this same level. In example 3, we'll ask a client to say 10 words containing the target sound, and we'll see that they get them all right. They're actually getting 100% right. And we'll be like, this is easy. I wonder if they've mastered it. So we'll do it again because we want to check. So now we'll repeat those 10 words again. This time they got 1 error. They got 9 out of 10. We want to see, well, if they got 10 out of 10 and then they got 9 out of 10, if we put that together, overall, we could say they're getting 19 out of 20 or 95%. And you know what? Usually when that's the case, 19 right out of 20, we can move on. 10 out of 10, then 9 out of 10, or 9 out of 10, then 10 out of 10. That's pretty easy. They're going to feel pretty confident about that. And we'll move on to the next step because we want to keep the learning progressing and we want to get through our different speech goals.